It seems like you have everything laid out. Your organization has a great data science team, loads of proprietary data, and it looks like you can conquer the world with bespoke AI. You produce brilliant models that can really change the course of your company and help employees do things faster with proprietary solutions. But then you spend months trying to put them into use. Wouldn't it be great if you just click a button and publish your AI model to all the tools that your employees use? Welcome to Bitskout. Bitskout is the last mile for your proprietary models. With Bitskout, you can integrate your AI models to a simple user interface where your employees will be able to use them as plugins and add them to existing tools like Asana or Jira in a few clicks. Sign up today to access the incredible AI automations offered by Bitskout. With Bitskout, you too can harness the power of AI.